Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We have Prime Big Deal days going on. Prime Big Deal going on. Cyber Monday deals, all types of deals. Now's the time to buy for yourself or a gift for a family member, celebrating birthdays, stocking stuffers, housewarming gifts. You never know. This might be a good one, especially for you gamers out here. Coming from my good friends over at Redragon. Whoa. There we go. So definitely check them out. They got a lot of gaming accessories you need. And tons of esports. Right here is going to be the Redragon Trundle. Wired 108 keys, mechanical keyboard. All good as the numbers on the side. I like how keyboards have that. A lot easier for me. Hot-swappable design. For more switch brand option. 108 keys. Full size high profile. RGB light. With side light bar. So it probably glows right there or something. Really nice. Trundle. Always great packaging. And you should get the famous Redragon stickers that you get with every order, from gaming mouse to speakers, keyboards, and others. So like I said, definitely take advantage now, because I'm thinking 2026, a lot of things might be going up in price, including computer stuff, because we're going to be using it a lot more in this digital era, which I am really happy it's finally here. Oh boy, everything's coming out. Okie dokie. Alright, got that undone. Unboxed and ready to roll, guys. Should be easy setup. This will be a website. You could go redragon.com, download the drivers, and you could update. Fall again. You could update your keyboard, program it the way you want it. Makes it a lot more comfortable for you. And there's the swappable keys. You get extra, and I believe you could do the 3D print, make your own keys. We got the polar. And of course, pretty good size USB. And here's the stickers. Ready for battle. And of course, the manual. Don't need it, like I said, go to redragon.com. Look for your keyboard or a mouse, whatever you're using. Click on it. And the option will be down at the bottom for drivers. Just click on that, install, and you're good to go. Ooh. Oh, I like these feel. That's a pretty nice color. And I think it's FN and INS. You could change it manually. Or you could go on the website. Or to the program. Yeah, see, there's RGB bar right there. You got non-slip guards. And then boom. I always like keeping these up, the flaps up. What is this? Just a design. No hidden tricks. Here's the back. That's where you plug the USB. Really nice though. They got a lot of good stuff. So, I mean, if your buddy is a gamer, I want to give him something small this year. You know, headsets, mouse, keyboards. Something small goes a long way. Alright, now it is time to light this thing up. If you know what I mean. Here we go. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we go. See, right there, it is a safe website to download. Redragon, right there. The Trundle. think that's how you say it. So you get options, profile 1, 2, and 3, macro, editor, export profile, import, and restore. Visit Redragon.com for all your driver's needs. And here's fun stuff. They got a lot of options. You gotta click on here, all the way up, all the way down. So you can have music mode if you're watching movies. It'll just be like a little light show, which is pretty cool. We'll try that first. Boom, 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 boom. Here's a keyboard. Look at her glow. There's RGB, like, bar. Ooh. But yeah, really nice keyboard layout. As you can see right there. Nice color. It's like a glacier type style. Yeah, really cool. And you can do change the dazzling rock. I don't know if you guys could read that. We'll zoom in. Snowfly. Pretty cool. But yeah, like I said, there's a lot of options you could choose from. Retro Snake. Remember that game Snake for the Nokia? I think it was. Way back when. Life was simple. And now we got She-Wave or Synwave. Whoa. That's trippy. Oh yeah, it's a party at your keyboard. So like I said, get it now. Easy to set up. Really soft keys. Yeah, you can type fast. I do type fast, so. But not that fast. Look at that. Bam. Like I say, you can replace your keys to whatever you like. And you're good to go. So definitely check them out. Redragon. Link is going to be down below. And hopefully see you guys soon. Until then, be safe.